That's half a cup. What? I can't put that in the microwave.
There's a stain on your jacket, not your shirt, just above the right breast area. Nobody cares, man. Nobody cares.
Oh, there is one right there.
Oh.
You good, man? You know?
Chat, we're starring in a new movie called Men in Milk Chocolate. Whoops.
Yeah, but we walk around and check people's pulses.
Esfand, get the hell out of my room. What is that shit?
Alright, listen team, okay? Listen, I have an announcement. So, you know how every single big streamer gets banned, and during their ban, they grow 10x, 50x, 30x, right? I decided to just, instead of, you know, doing subpar content for 6 months, I'm just gonna get banned today. So, good morning. We are going to be doing a tier list on world religions, alright? Let's start with...
And we're trying to find the ghost. Please help me find the ghost. We need you to click on I am not the ghost. I don't know why there's still 43% of clicks on me. Click on the ghost. We gotta get him. Is that? Oh, this right here? I'm gonna get him. All right, I'm gonna try to grab this guy. That is a ghost right there. All right, here I go. Got him. Okay, and now we gotta kill this ghost. So here's my ghost chipper, and we're gonna throw him in the ghost chipper. Here we go. Goodbye, ghost. Woo! Get back in there. Get the fuck in there. All right, we got one.
Anyway. Did he turn it up?
This guy's been trying to get me to watch his fucking murderer cousin for like since yesterday. It's kind of weird. Look, dude, look at this guy. This guy's been blasting the chat. He's like, dude, come on, my cousin fucking is a murderer, dude. You have to watch this. Oh, will you make fun of my cousin tomorrow? I love you. Good night, Hasi. Will you?
Okay.
We make fun of my cousin tomorrow. I want to show my mom you read my message. She'll never believe me. My murderer POS cousin? Dude, okay, you know what? Fuck it, dude. I'm bullying your cousin. Fuck it, dude. I'm gonna make fun of your fucking dumbass cousin who's a murderer, okay? Are you happy?
5 months.
I hope you're happy. You finally got me to look at your fucking shit-ass cousin, your bitch-ass, stupid-ass cousin.
Come on. Ready? Hello.
Oh my.
Okay, that doesn't work. Never mind.
Let me try.
I thought it was gonna stay in one line.
Ready? Let's see if I can do it in your mouth. We're prepping for Amouranth. Sorry.
See, now you ruined it. You're supposed to do it upside down.
Or I made it better.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. Okay. Accept invitation to the Bald Guild. Accepted. Asmongold has joined the guild. I am now in bald. Your guild.
Hey, chat. I don't sign in, alright? Synack is upstairs, literally right above me right now. He is on his computer ready to bid on anything that I desire. All I have to do is I say one code word, and Synack instantly starts bidding. I'm not telling you what the code word is. You might have to figure it out yourself.
How about 1900? 18 Go 19 on the Game Boy game. Sealed copy. Where's 1900? Any advance to $100.
Penis!